Hey, I'm Derek with Armadillo Composite Decking. If you're looking to add a unique and eye-catching design to your deck, consider exploring various installation patterns. These designs require precise cutting and placement, but the stunning results are well worth the effort. In this video, I'll guide you through the planning and the execution of unique patterns for your deck. Let's create a deck that stands out and showcases your personal style. So the beauty of composite decking is there's not just one singular way that you can do this. Obviously, we've shown you that you can do it kind of a standard way with some picture framing and stuff like that, running your boards perpendicular. But there's also some other things you can do. This over here is a herringbone design. So you've got to do a couple different things when it comes to your framing to make sure that you can do a pattern like this. One of those things being, you've got to change your joist spacing from 16 on center to 12 on center, because that span that your board is covering is now increasing by going diagonal. So you can see from this 2x12, in between that and the next 2x12, there is a 2x6, which is laid down flat. It's got some bracing underneath it connecting to the next 2x12, but the reason you need that is so that the ends of each of these boards has something to connect to. Holds it down nice and firm, gives you a nice firm platform to walk on. One of the important things to take into consideration whenever you're going to do a design like this design in particular, is to make sure that you get your first line right. So from wherever you're starting, make sure that you've got that 45-degree angle as perfect as you can. Make sure this is 90 as perfect as you can. And that's really going to help you keep everything nice and straight as you work your way down the pattern. And if you use all these tips and tools that we've shown you in these videos, you're going to wind up with a deck that you're proud to show off to your neighbors and friends. Unique patterns add a distinctive touch to your deck, making it truly one of a kind. ArmadilloDeck.com provides all the resources you need to bring those designs to life. Visit our website to explore more and start creating your unique deck today. Now let's make your deck project the envy of the neighborhood.